Nå, hvad laver vi nu med det?
Vi har fået vasket med hundeshampoo.
And maybe we should do this film in English because so many people before couldn't understand Danish. But this is not Humphrey's first bath.
No.
This is Humphrey's maybe third in 2 years.
No. Yeah, more. It's just Anna did it.
No, Humphrey's such a good boy.
Yeah.
See, hi Humphrey, you're coming on internet with this. No. Betty, you're supposed to keep the water inside the shower.
But he doesn't want to be inside.
Who decides? Does he decide over you or the other way around?
Come here.
Don't forget the back door.
I have from the back door.
Okay. No, the things it's a dog's life.
Yeah.
He knows it.
Yeah.
No, there's our Humphrey.
It's so clean.
Yeah. No, the things that he puts up with.
Yeah.
No. Did you swept the back door? Yeah. Okay.
He doesn't like it.
What about the unemployed?
Yeah.
Mor, er 700 kroner for en iPod Touch med 16 GB RAM? Hvad?
Det ved jeg ikke. Jeg ved det ikke.
No, Humphrey. Be there. Stay there now. No, he's a good boy. Now you're going to get all dried off. No, we just love our Mr. Humphrey. This is Sir Humphrey Barker Giles. Go back in there. Get back in there. No. Mr. Humphrey. And who's the bather? Say hi, Mitten.
Me.
Hi,
Hello.
Hello, world. This is going on YouTube. Oh, Jesus. Humphrey. Huh? Okay. Oh, he's so pretty. Okay, I'm signing off now. Say bye-bye, Humphrey. Yeah, now I've got a wet bathroom. Okay, bye-bye.